Hello students, here in this video we are going to see nuclear power. Nuclear energy provides more than 10% of the world's electricity. It is one of the cheapest ways of producing electric power. The overall cost to generate electricity from nuclear power is less compared to the electricity generated by other technologies. Most of the people believe that it is dangerous to generate electricity from nuclear power than from coals. But the truth is, nuclear energy is safe and clean energy. It is a renewable energy too. They do not pollute air, nor they release greenhouse gases like fossil fuels do. The reaction which causes a change in the nucleus of an atom is called nuclear reaction, and the energy which releases during this reaction is the nuclear energy. Here the mass of the nucleus serves as the main source of nuclear energy, and this is released in the form of heat. There are two types of nuclear reactions. They are nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. In nuclear fission, heavy atomic nuclei, when it is bombarded with high energetic neutrons, splits up into several fragments, and along with that 2 or 3 neutrons is also released. This is called as nuclear fission. Let us consider an example. When uranium nuclei is bombarded with high energetic neutrons, barium and krypton are released. Along with that, 3 neutron is released with some energy. The total sum of the masses of barium and krypton is less compared to the original mass of the uranium nuclei. We know the Einstein's mass energy relation, E is equal to mc square. So the missing mass from here is converted to energy. So a large amount of energy is released during fission reaction. The neutrons that are generated leads to further fission, and it causes a chain reaction. If all the neutrons that are generated in this fission reaction are used up for further reaction, then the heat or the energy release will be enormous and it cannot be controlled, and this leads to explosion, which happens in atom bomb. Next is nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, multiple atomic nuclei join together to form heavier nuclei. Here also a large amount of energy is released. The energy that is generated in stars, sun stars, are by the continuous nuclear fusion reaction. In nuclear power plant, nuclear fission reaction is used to generate electricity. Let us now see the schematic of nuclear power plant. The main job of the reactor is to house and control nuclear fission reaction. The reactor uses uranium as nuclear fuel. The uranium is processed into ceramic pellets, and these are stacked inside sealed tubes called fuel rods. The fuel rods are stacked together and form a bundles called fuel assembly. Inside the reactor core, there are hundreds of such fuel assemblies, and these decides the power level of the reactor. The fuel rods are immersed inside water because the water acts as a coolant and a moderator. The purpose of moderator is to slow down the neutrons. Slowing down the neutron will make a proper nuclear fission reaction. Also, granite can be used as a moderator. Also, we can see control rods. The purpose of control rods is to control the rate of nuclear reaction. This is done by observing neutrons. The material that can be taken as control rods are cadmium and boron. When the reactor starts up, that is at the beginning stage, the neutron population is 0. When the reactor starts up, nuclear fission happens and neutron starts generating. So what happens? The operator at the initial stage remove the control rods from inside, which are kept inside the fuel rods. When the power level reaches a nominal rate, the operators immerse the control rods partially inside the fuel rod so that the neutrons can be absorbed. This is done in order to control the reaction and to stop the explosion happening. If you want to shut down the nuclear reactor, the operators completely immerse the control rods inside the fuel rods. So what happens? Fission stops and the reactor shut down. The heat that is generated inside the reactor is sent to the external chamber through heat exchanger. So the heat that is generated by this nuclear fission steams the water, and this is sent to the steam turbine which generates electricity. The reactor is kept inside concrete walls so as to avoid nuclear radiation. In India, nuclear power is the 4th largest source of electricity. There are 7 nuclear power plants in India. They are Tarapur Atomic Power Station in Maharashtra, Rajasthan Atomic Power Station in Rajasthan, Madras Atomic Power Station in Tamil Nadu, Kaiga Atomic Power Station Karnataka, Kudangulam Atomic Power Station Tamil Nadu, Narora Atomic Power Station Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapar Atomic Power Station in Gujarat. This year, that is in 2020, July 22nd, the Kakrapur Atomic Power Station Unit 3 attained critical state. It is a 700 megawatt power plant, and it attained critical state. That means the reactor is now ready to generate power by its own. To conclude, a well designed, well constructed and well maintained nuclear energy is clean, safe, reliable, durable and competitive. Thank you.